To the Coleman CT200U Hemi Predator CVT swap. Approximately 100 hours on the engine without the oil change, being a brand new engine. Oops, yeah, we were lazy. My son's working on his nice bike. Pull this drain plug, see how much metal we have. Eventually any day. There is metal specks in the sunlight. My friends bought these new and changed them within a couple hours. The oil is still copper colored. Had this Hemi Predator in the closet for 2 days. There's metallic speculina. This engine has very minimal metallic silver. Almost cleaner than the old Briggs when we changed them. It's not that bad, guys. Thanks everyone for watching. Kind of lame video, but bye.